In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enter and exit recovery mode on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. The first step is to switch off your device. So access the power off menu, then select power off and confirm your choice. Then from here, ensure that you have a computer close by. It can be a Windows PC, it can be a MacBook, or it can just be a regular old laptop. And then ensure that you also have a data cable. Then once you've grabbed both items, connect your phone to the computer. And once connected, you should see the charging animation appearing. From here, what you want to do is simultaneously press on the side key and the volume up button at the same time. Side key, volume up, then long press, and then just ignore the animation that appears, and then continue pressing until you see the Samsung logo, then you can let go. Now you should notice that your device has successfully entered recovery mode. To navigate through the recovery mode, you have two buttons you can use: volume up, which goes up, and volume down, which goes down. So use volume down to scroll through the list, and then select whatever option it is. If you wish to factory data reset, or to select an option from the list, press on the side key, select, and it will be selected. So continue selecting options and doing whatever it is you wanted to do. And if you wish to exit recovery mode, then in the main menu, you should see the option Reboot System Now. So ensure that option is highlighted, then press on the side key to select this option, and then wait for your device to restart. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.